something special about flying really close and not hitting anything. I did not commit to that gap. Maybe I should have. I pussied out. Alright. Warming up. It's my first flight today. I love this. Flying is just the best. Oh yeah. Gaps. Whee. More gaps here. Whoa, branches. Woo. Yeah, I'm using the Freewell ND8, although I could have not used it. At this point, my ISO is at 800 currently. I just wanted to test the filters, how they are. They will fall off or won't fall off after doing some flips and rolls. Huh, that was, yeah, I think I need to adjust the rates for the roll, because it's a bit too slow for, I need it to be a bit quicker for it not to jiggle around. It's a bit too slow, just a little bit. Smooth orbit around the twin trees. Oh no, those are twins. I think so. Maybe they're cousins, who knows? But they do look alike. Oh yeah. There's something special about flying really close and not hitting anything. And if you fly drones, you know what I'm talking about. Woo! Kids, no. Let's not fly there. Let's not fly towards kids. Yeah, this is amazing. And I think that the Neo 2 is also performing really well with ISO 800. Just need to have a bit more than no light. Then ISO 800 is fine. But yeah, in this light I could have not used filters, but I got them today and I wanted to fly with them just to test them out. I gotta say, they work very good. They are still staying on. Well, I bet if I would crash, they might come off, because they're, well, you know, magnets. But just try not to crash and everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Oh sweet. Yeah, already 5 minutes and a half in air, flowing around pretty much uninterrupted. Let's keep it like that. Whoa, kids, no. I bet if this footage will be grainy, I will run it through DaVinci. It handles that noise really well and just gets rid of it completely. Well, if it's nothing too serious. It can struggle with a lot of noise, but I think this amount will be fine. Although in the goggles I don't see that much noise, but that's the feed. I wonder how will the actual footage look like. Hopefully great. After the stabilization, I think it will look amazing. And wow, I'm in air almost 7 minutes. Okay, I have 20% remaining. That's about to be expected. But still cannot be compared to older times when 2 to 3 minutes was everything you had, because that's just how it was. Woo, jiggling around. But I must say, this drone is wonderful. Woo. So, well, I think I still would like it to be a bit more powerful, but then again, for what it is and for who this drone is made for, this is way enough power. And battery too low landing. Alright, can I make it? I made it! Barely. I almost hit that pea pile, but I think I did not. Hopefully. But yeah, wow, I made it back home with the filter on. Fantastic. Excellent, good job, Freewall.